Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to dive into a fun and creative project, making our own stickers right at home. I will be designing them and adding some vibrant colors with markers. So let's get started. Firstly, আমি আমার সব materials বের করে নিচ্ছি, art paper, coloring markers, scissor, and most importantly tape. I wasn't really expecting that the stickers would turn out so stunning that I would even make more. প্রথমে আমি একটা আর্ট পেপারে কিছু কিউট পিকচার্স, কার্টুনস অ্যান্ড আদার কিউট স্টাফ ড্র করে নিচ্ছি with the help of a pencil or another easy way, just print it out. Pinterest-এ অনেকগুলো printable pictures আছে. I just want to experience the whole thing of making my own stickers, so I did both drawing and coloring myself. Okay, now once you're happy with the designs, now it's time to add color. আমি coloring marker দিয়ে color করা start করেছি. And these coloring markers are from Faber-Castell. These markers are really amazing to work with. আমি স্টিকার্সগুলো আমার ইচ্ছামতো কালার করে নিয়েছি, so feel free to get creative and use as many colors as you like. আমি most of the pictures kind of pinkish color করেছি since I will use them for my journal and finally cut them out. আমি স্টিকার্সগুলো carefully কেটে নিয়েছি, leaving a small border if you like. আমি স্টিকার্সগুলো a bit white portion রেখেছি and now it's time to cover them with a tape. Also remember to smooth it out কারণ অনেক সময় ভালো করে প্রেস না করলে সারফেসটা uneven হয়ে যায় and it looks so bad. Lastly, we will cut them keeping the shape perfect. And there you have it, your very own custom stickers. You can use them to decorate your notebooks, water bottles, or even give them as gifts. I hope you enjoyed this craft as much as I did. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Najibha for more fun crafts and DIY projects. See you next time. Bye.